Dear colleagues, let me introduce our product, Spheroid Revolution. Our goal is to save bioprinting and clustered industries from big financial, time, and material losses, making bioprinting process more effective and fast with the help of our software. The pain is that trying to update the bioprinting process, people make changes in hydrogels where spheroids are located and also make spheroids bigger. But because of this, necrotic areas arise in the center of spheroids, and before transplantation, bioconstructs cannot have regeneration in it. Thus, bioconstruct with necrotic areas inside cannot be used, because it could bring dangerous consequences to the whole organism, and people need to try more and more. They lose money, they lose time, they lose expensive materials before they will finally get a needed result. But with our software, we will give them an opportunity to predict the actual result of experimental work and adjust all necessary parameters. Thus, financial, time, and material losses will be avoided, and technologies with tissue spheroids and bioprinting using could be successfully spread in various areas of our life. It needs to emphasize that our prototype was successfully validated in the laboratory 3D Bioprinting Solutions, the only one company in Russia that works with 3D bioprinting of tissue spheroids. Also, it needs to mention that tissue spheroids are cell aggregates, which form the desired structure. The multicellular spheroid complex is a building block for bioprinting tissues and organs, and the natural phenomenon of tissue spheroid fusion provides a foundation for robotic biofabrication of organs and tissue reconstruction with a bioprinter. The necrosis of central cells prevents the spread of bioprinting with spheroids. Our innovative software product is proposed for determining the optimal characteristics of spheroids without invasive intervention using the minimax method, diffusion reaction calculations with nutrient consumption coefficients, and the function representation approach. Our software is the only one specialized software that is developed especially for digital bioprinting, the last generation bioprinting practical method. We provide modeling and simulation of tissue spheroids with actual viability level and other needed parameters. Received repeated result of good nutrient concentration and fidelity after adjusting all necessary parameters. We will provide a service for tissue spheroid standardization. And finally, we will help to make bioprinting research and industry areas more effective.